We understand that plans can change. Whether you need to move your booking to a different date or cancel it altogether, Bookwhen makes it easy to manage your tickets. Start by opening your original booking confirmation email. Scroll to find and select the View Booking button. This opens your personal customer portal. Alternatively, if you've created a Bookwhen account, simply log in to see a full list of your upcoming events. You can create an account at any time to access this view. First up, cancellations. If you can no longer attend, find the Manage button next to your event. If the organizer allows cancellations, the Cancel Ticket option will appear. Once you confirm, you'll receive an email letting you know the cancellation was successful. Next, transfers. If you'd prefer to just move your spot to a different time or day, check for the Transfer option. This lets you browse available sessions that match your ticket and move your booking to a new slot. Your existing payment stays in place, so there's no need to enter your details again. If you don't see the option to cancel or transfer, it's usually because of the organizer's specific booking policies. For example, the change deadline may have passed. In these cases, or if you have questions regarding refunds, you'll need to reach out to the event organizer directly. They have full authority over their own policies and payments. You can find their contact details right on the booking page, in your confirmation email, or within the options menu of your Booker portal. Managing your schedule shouldn't be a headache. By using your customer portal, you stay in control of your time. Check your latest confirmation email to see your options.